Hey y'all, and welcome to part 2. Today we're diving into RecordsKeeper.AI's amazing features that'll end your document management nightmares. You know those tiring hours arranging documents? Gone! Our AI search is magical. Just give vague details like V's from John around March, and boom, it finds exactly what you need from thousands of files. So you've created your account, now what? Let's upload some file. I'm logging back in, clicking login, entering my credentials, and we're in. Forgot your password? No worries, all recovery options are right here, plus live chat support. Now here's the fun part. Uploading files is everywhere in the app. See this upload files button? Let's click it. I am selecting some documents. Yes, yes, and yes, just like drag and drop anywhere else. Simple as that. Watch this. We uploaded 4 documents and they're processing. The system auto-creates unique identifiers for each file, tracks versions, and generates smart insights. Look at this processed file. It's an authorization letter. AI tagged it perfectly. Authorization letter, general correspondence, extracted, all entities. Beautiful. Complete control. Whether you're on laptop, desktop, or mobile, just open your browser and upload from any device. That's how simple document management becomes with RecordsKeeper.AI. Stay tuned for more exciting features coming next.